learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Friday, March 14th. Here are the 2 words for today. Number 1 is a direction. And number 2, Bob will swim across the river. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer will go west. Jennifer will go west. West. There are 4 directions: north, south, east, and west. Correct. Now we can make a flashcard for west. It can be an adjective, for example, West London, and it can be an adverb, to walk west. Please make a flashcard like this. Write west up here in the top left corner, W-E-S-T. Down here in the bottom left corner, D-I-R, 1. This means direction, level 1. And over here, the number 4 out of 4. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Wow, an easy one. Remember, W we make with the lips. Wa, wa. West. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. We walk across the river every day. We walk across the river every day. Across. You walk from one side of the river to the other side of the river. Now we can make a flashcard for across. Please write across up here in the top left corner, A-C-R-O-S-S. Yes, we say to walk across the road or to swim across the river. Down here, GW1. This means grammar word, level 1. And over here, the number 3 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Cross, across. Game over. You did really well today. Today we learned west. Yeah, this is a direction. And Bob will swim across the river. Very good. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1, a situation with an A. Very good. That's a predicament, something you have to do something about. Number 2, please repeat, be willing to do something. This means it's okay, you agree to it. And number 3, you wear in the sunshine over your eyes? Sunglasses. Very good. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.